Greetings to you students, welcome to Say Shadow. So I'm happy to inform you that after watching this great video, don't forget to subscribe. And also I'm happy to explain some concepts using this YouTube channel. So I want to explain on partial fractions. Many students are confusing things in terms of differentiating the types of expressions under partial fractions. So what you have to know is we have the first one, what you call the linear partializing using linear factor. So how do you know this one is partializing using linear factor, and how do you know this is partializing using quadratic factor? And also how do you know how to partialize using linear repeated factor, and also how to simplify or how to partialize using improper, using the method of improper. So for you to partialize this one, so as you see, this one is what you call the linear partializing using the linear factor. Why we are saying we have to partialize this one using linear factor? Remember, we have two linear factors on the denominator. Which ones? We have x squared minus 1. Remember, x squared minus 1, we can factorize it using the difference of two squares. So we are saying x squared minus 1 is the same as x squared plus 1 in brackets and x squared minus 1 in brackets. So we are saying so the next step is to find the values of the constants a and b. You want to find the value of a and b. Guys, as I said before, after watching this video, don't forget to subscribe. If you subscribe, you receive a notification for the next video on expressing partial fractions using quadratic factor, or using linear repeated factor, or even using improper. So we are saying for you to find the value of a and the value of b, we have to find the lowest common denominator. The lowest common denominator is x minus 1 and x plus 1. Then multiply by x minus 1. Multiply here by x minus 1 and x plus 1. X minus 1, x plus 1, x minus 1, x plus 1. This one, and you left with x minus 3. This is equals to, then now this one, and you left with a plus b, and left with x minus 1. So how do you find the value of a and the value of b from this condition? You can let when x is equals to 1, so that you will eliminate the expression of b. When x is 0, when x is 1, when x is equals to 1 here, which means you have 1 plus 1, which is 2. Then when x is 1, which is minus 2, so minus 2 is equals to when x is 1, which is 1 plus 1, which is 2. 2 times a, which is 2a. Therefore a is equals to minus 1. When a is equals to minus 1, then say when, let's say when x is equals to minus 1. When x is equals to minus 1, now when x is minus 1, which is minus 1 plus 1, which is 0, and you eliminate this expression. Then when x is minus 1, this is minus 2, this is minus 2, minus 1, minus 2, and we have minus 2b now. Minus 2 b is equals to, then when x is minus 1, which is minus 1 minus 3, which is minus 4, divided by minus 2, divided by minus 2, so b equals to 2. So now we have the values of the constants a and b. Now we have to express it in this form. Just substitute. So therefore x minus 3 over x squared minus 1 is equals to, well, the value of a is minus 1. So you can even start with the positive one. You can start with this one. So we have 2 over x plus 1 minus, what the value of a? The value of a is minus 1. This is minus. So 1 over x minus 1. So this one is now expressed in partial fractions. As I said, guys, after watching this simple video, don't forget to subscribe. If you subscribe, you'll receive a notification after each and every new released video. Thank you so much, guys.